Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the NASCAR 2025, what you can actually expect from the game. So first thing first, the pros. Driving is very good. Cars feel significantly better than Heat Series, strong on control driving, 4 vehicles classes all ride differently, so that's good. Also, AI is aggressive, multi-line dynamic and fun to race door to door, so they made the AI good. Feels competitive, pushes the player and adapts to your moves, super speedway drafting. Also, one of the strongest features is that you have actually like the career mode there. So that's good. Track car authenticity. Also, audio is great too, and the gameplay is great. Now, force feedback often feels weak. A dead zone in the center for some wheels. And also, no mouse support in menus sometimes. Sometimes like the AI got problems, like gets unrealistic boots when exiting pits. And AI pit entry is perfect, but lose time consistency, and AI rarely undertakes realistically crashes. Scripted spins looks artificial. So you don't have any DNFs, you don't have any pace car, manual cautions, no pit lane driving, no private lobbies, no crossplay. This is something that you don't have. So only one sponsor at a time, no driving retirements. And these are the things that you have to be aware of. So it's still a good game, but it's like if you want to will user seeking realistic FFB, if you want to have like full NASCAR rule authenticity, and this isn't something that you're not going to get there. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.